That's right. It's time. It's time for you guys to enter to win the most beautiful motorcycle ever made by KRUESI Originals. Probably by anybody. I mean, shit, look at this thing. Here it is. It's a 2020 Lowrider S that we custom built. It's got a 128-inch S&S motor in it, S&S top end, S&S cams, 475 cam. It's a hitter. She's powerful. It's got Skynet rims on it from KRUESI Originals, floating rotors. It's got a Skynet chain drive kit from KRUESI Originals, ST bags, a wedge fairing, KRUESI Originals handlebars, full paint all the way around. The gas tank's been shaved. All the bullshit little caps have been flushed out and all that. Legends monoshock in the rear. It's got a bare knuckle performance lift kit, 20 weight revalved front end. She feels really, really nice. It's got Metzlers all the way around. Stealth exhaust, S&S intake. KRUESI Originals, or not KRUESI Originals, Harley Davidson true mid controls with Twisted T Industries floorboards on it, the adjustable ones. That was also really nice. It's got Green Brothers Designs custom made shift linkage for this setup right here. You can't buy this one. This one was made for us custom by Butch. Super dope. KRUESI Originals K-bar. Everything's fitted on there. It's got our engine guard. I don't even think anything else. Bunch of work, bunch of time, bunch of hours. All that good stuff is painted by CRD Custom Designs, custom paint. We got saddleman seat, tuck and roll, step up gripper, all that good shit. It's got yellow spark plugs on it. Yellow spark plug wires. I mean, come on, it's really worth all of it for that right there. We are going to be giving this thing away. It's a really easy contest to enter. It goes live on the 12th of this month, August 12th, KRUESIOriginals.com. There will be value packs on there for sale for $100. Every single pack that you buy enters you in a chance to win this Harley Davidson. It will be given to you. The packs will be a sticker pack with a bunch of other stuff in there, so you will get something cool from us. Might be sentimental. It might be worth a bunch of money. It might not be worth a bunch of money. It might be rad, but all that being said, the money goes to help out how would you say, a fallen motorcycle broken friend of ours that worked for us for a long time, Dave Chase. You guys know the story about what happened with him getting hit and how he got hit bad. He's pretty f***ed off. So money goes to help him out. Money goes to help out the Coast to Coast run. That is for fallen special forces guys. It's a great cause. We're going to do some stuff with them. We're going to give them a bunch of money. It's going to be really, really rad. It's all good stuff, and it helps us to keep building rad motorcycles, because we're basically at 100% of the money that we made off of the last bike that we gave away. I blew it on this thing because I got really excited. So here it is. You guys can have this. All you got to do is enter. There are some rules that you have to follow to make this legal. You can't enter if you're in Hawaii. I'm sorry. You can't enter if you're not in the United States. I'm sorry. It's just the way things are. You also don't have to buy a ticket. You can enter for free. All you have to do is send us a video to info@KRUESIOriginals.com of you doing 100 pull-ups consistently, unbroken. You get a free entry spot. Other than that, $100, get you a spot. It's going to run for 1 week and 1 week only. Last time people missed out, they got a little butt hurt, so you got to get right on it. It's going from the 12th to the 19th, and then we'll do the drawing live. We're also giving away a bunch of other stuff. We'll be giving away a KRUESI Originals KRUESI Knievel cut, giving away a saddleman seat, set of Legends for whatever you want, basically, as long as they're in stock. You can get arcs for the rear, you can get shit for the front, whatever Legends you would like for your motorcycle, that's what you're gonna win. We're gonna be giving away derby covers, points covers, handlebars, probably hats, shirts, a whole bunch of shit. There's a whole bunch of stuff you can win, so everything, you got a lot of chance of really just getting your money's worth at least, or getting a whole bunch of other rad shit. Other than that, I mean, thank you very much. You got anything, Jake? Am I missing anything?
I don't think so.
I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for participating, and thank you for being a part of this. And go hit up David B. Chase on Instagram and tell him to get well soon and keep fucking pushing hard and all that good stuff, because he's the homie, and he got smoked. I'm not missing anything else. I think I'm good. Remember, KRUESIOriginals.com. It's easy to find. Go to Value Pack. It's beautiful. And it's for a good cause. Which, I was supposed to say that, but it is. KRUESI Originals, KRUESIOriginals.com. Check us out on Instagram. There'll be lots more posted about this. And it would be really, really rad if the person if you win, you can fly out to the shop and pick this thing up personally. You got to pay for the ticket yourself, but the last guy flew out to the shop. We'll do a video with you. Everybody gets to meet you and all that rad shit. You get to ride the bike, you get to see the shop. They all went out on the town and partied down last time too. Kid had a blast. So just think of that if you want to. Otherwise, get it shipped to you. But you could fly out and hang out and be on KRUESI Originals. I mean, f it, man, make it famous. Well, it cost you $100 or 1,000, depending on how many packs you want to buy. Peace.